Hello guys, welcome back once again our channel Zadik Nangal Hindi. Friends, before I telling it about application, about the payby application, this is before previous video I telling there is teaching you the how to register this application, how to log in with Emirates ID and get the every week's 5 dirhams. Okay, simply you can click here. Here is the advertisement is coming, same like this application is give the promotion here coming, and click here the get the 5 dirham every week, and here is coming one voucher. Then you click the check the voucher. Okay, here is check the voucher. You can click simply and check the your voucher is coming every week 5 dirham. You can use this 5 dirham to purchase anything. Is valid in the 7 days. Okay, if you use my refer link, then you here is lots of money you can check. Okay, check my history. Here is before 5 dirham, 10 dirham and 5 dirham. Okay, expired is here. Check 10 dirham is national day is 5 dirham, national day is 5 dirham, taxi. Here is this one is all expired. I cannot use that one before, because I'm not using that money, and I used this money before, and here is now 5 dirham. I will use this one from recharge. I will show you. Okay, then you can take from loan this application to pay cash now loan. Here you can click and continue the process. If you have any problem, then you comment me, I will teach you. Okay, then here is pay later, here is voucher, here is more. If you click on the more, here is coming top up and taxi money, parking money, Lulu supermarket money, ADC, FIWA, and nearby shops, cash now, pay later, binary response, and dream island, voucher, coupon, reward, request, split bill, and send gift, send money, travels, power bank, receipt, cash in, cash out, card, virtual account. It's lots of items you can use this one. Okay, so now I simply show you the voucher. Okay, here is voucher, and you can check. Here is voucher. I have a 5 dirham in voucher. Okay, that way you can take from every week. So now I will recharge my mobile number. So this is my number. I will recharge this number too. Okay, actually I know another number 056. This number I will recharge on 5 dirhams. Check, here is coming 0 balance cutting and 1 voucher I have. So I will confirm them, and here is you can check my phone is recharged. Check, here is message also coming here, 5 dirham recharge. Okay, so you can check from 5 dirham every week. International recharge, mobile bill pay, international recharge, auto data balance, everything is available from here. You can also you can recharge this application in that outside of machine, cash machine. So here is you can find how to recharge this machine, cash in. Check, here is option is deposit, cash in, cash out machine, how to recharge anti-payment machine, otherwise also machine. So how to pay it, all is everything is here. If you have any problem, you can message me, you can comment to me, and I will teach you in details. Okay, okay friends, I will meet you another video.